Gear up.
Is it still second?
30, yeah.
There is.
Yeah. So how do you work out the speed limit? Street lights, housing,
Right, so it's
default 30. You've been through the 30. It won't remind you of signs because there's street lights and housing. So if there's no reminders, it's 30.
That's enough.
If you can't see signs, presume it's a 30 zone.
Yeah.
Think here now. Would this road really be a 40?
Yeah.
Probably not. There's too much going on.
It was whether it was a 20 really rather than. 40.
It could be, but you'll know because there will be
20.
little signs on the lamppost that remind us. Yeah.
So if there's no reminders, it's 30. If there's reminders, it's 20. I think.
Yeah. It costs too much to put 30 reminders up. That is it. It'll cost too much. So they've gone, hang on a minute, let's save some money. If there's street lights and housing, that's why it's 30. So there's your indication. Is he okay? Yeah, good. What gear now?
Second.
Good. Love it. Good. Go slow. You can time this. Hold back a bit further. Yeah. So speed down. Let's brake a bit more. Brake a bit more. Now first. Good. What are you checking?
I don't know what
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. But who could come down the side? Just bring the clutch up. No gas. No gas. Keep the clutch up all the way. No, up. Keep it up. Good. Relax your foot.
Which one?
Bring your foot away. Your left foot.
My left one?
Yeah, pull it back. Good. That's it. Relax.
I got my left and right confused.
Because you're over your thing, you're going to maybe change it. And you just want to stay like that. Look at that. So just crawl up. Off the gas again. Right, well, let's go in. Brake on its own. There you go. No, it's fine. This is good. Right, stay like this.
Am I in first?
Yeah. So you can feel it. Don't look at it. Go by the feel.
Yeah.
Right. Does this feel good?
Yeah.
Yeah. So trust it.
7 seconds.
Good. Love it. Nice. So we'll go straight on here.
Well, down to my college.
Yeah. No signal. Don't worry about it. So just brake a little bit. Time it. Can you beat the car to the right?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
Good. Lovely. Excellent.
Go again.
All right. Can you go?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good. Just look at them. Don't look at them. Just look at them.
Yeah.
Them you can see in peripheral vision.
Yeah.
But sometimes learners can get a little bit distracted because there's a lot going on. Let's go next left.
Down to Mark Mayer.
Yeah. What are you checking? Good. So just brake on its own. Good. Lovely.
Yeah.
Good. Good. And again, relax that left foot. Good. Take your time. What speed is it?
30.
Let's work it out when you get round here.
30.
Is it?
The 20. 20, yeah.
So now you know, because boom, there's a reminder. Oh, there's thingy.
Let's stand in the middle.
Yeah. Why not? Use your tarmac. You got a choice. You either go like that, or you go like that.
Yeah.
If there's no one here, yeah, you can use the space. So who's got to give way though if there's someone coming now?
Me.
Yeah. It basically changes down here over and over again.
Yeah.
So like here, just ease off a tad. If there's anyone coming, it just gives them chance to get to the giveaway. You know it's alright and you can carry on. Lovely. What do you reckon? Can you get past this one?
Yeah, definitely. Maybe not the next one.
Can't wait to put that 5 ways on later.